Hello guys, Lucas Rocha here. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this cool hover transition in Webflow. As you can see, as you hover, the image grows, um, and it became more visible because we actually set a overlay in the image. So when we hover in, we can actually turn this overlay off, and the image is like this beautiful color again. So as you can see over here, so let's get started. What we're going to do, we're gonna create another page. Okay, so it's gonna be an tutorial, and we're going to start by selecting a section and making it 100 VH minimum height, and with our section selected, we're gonna give a name to our section, like hero section. Okay, and we're gonna set this to flex, and we're gonna set it to center. Now we're going to drag in a div block that we're going to call it I don't know, card. I don't know, could be card. Okay, so with our card selected, we're going to, in our flex child, and select grow if possible. Okay, so we'll take all the width and the height of our section now. With our card selected, what we can do is Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, so now I got two cards, taking the whole page. With our left card selected, what we will do is we will select states. Okay, and we're gonna go to hover. With our card and hover state selected, we're gonna go to alignment and order. I'm sorry, we're gonna click over here, these three dots over here, and actually we're gonna set 0 to shrink, and we're gonna grow our section that is being hovered. So we're gonna grow by 3. Okay, so that's it. We're gonna go back to our none state again, and we're gonna set now. Okay, now we're gonna, with our left card selected, we're gonna give it a combo class. I'm gonna call it left card. Okay, with our left card selected, now our combo class, we're gonna give it an image. So choose image. I got those two images already here uploaded, so I'm gonna use this ocean image. Okay, and we're gonna center cover and center it. Okay, yes. Okay, so, and now we're gonna select our right card, and we're gonna type right card, and we're gonna go and give it a image, our jungle image now. Cover, center it. Okay, and you can also press none to tile, so it won't repeat the same image. Now we're gonna go back to our actually, let's see this. It's pretty weird, as you can see, because it's expanding, but it's like this weird effect. So we're gonna, with our card selected, we're gonna erase our combo class and only leave the card class. And what we're going to do is we're going to set a transition. So this transition will affect our flex. Will affect our flex box. So now, as you can see, it's already different. It's not like, let's increase this so you guys can see a little better. You see how slow this is growing. So this is actually what we want, but not that slow. We're gonna set it to 250, and we're gonna set the easy to be easy in and out. Let's see how much more organic the transition make the grow. So we're gonna select our card again, and we're gonna give it our left card combo class. So let's see, now we already have this pretty cool grow and shrink effect, but we'll actually add a overlay layer above the image, so we can turn that off when we are hovering the image. So with our card selected, we're gonna click on image and gradient, and we're going to select the color overlay, and we're gonna leave it with 0, 0, 0 and 0.5. That means it's 0.5 opacity. So it's 50% opacity. So we're gonna go and do the same thing with our right card. And now what we're going to do is with our selected card, we're gonna go to hover, and now while we are hovering, we are going to hide our overlay layer. So okay, let's see if it's working. Okay, if in this one it's not working, but that's because we didn't specify it to work in our right div, but it must be working in our left div. Let's see. Yes, it's working. As you can see it, the overlay just disappeared. So we're gonna go and do the same thing with our right card. Hover and hide. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's working. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, leave a like, leave a comment below. I'm sorry if my English is imperfect. I'm still learning, and I hope you guys like the video. Thank you.